Hey everybody, this is Amanda. I'm at St. Albans Sanitorium here in Radford, Virginia. I'm in the boiler room right now. This is where one of the employees supposedly had a heart attack and died in here. And you can see people have left cigarettes to leave for Smokey. It's also been told that he didn't really have a friendly way with the women, and he's known to be inappropriate with guests who come here, and grab them and do and be kind of unfriendly to them. We do definitely have that eerie feel down in this area. I've kind of stepped away from the group. They're doing an echo box section 2 or 3 rooms over from me. But I should let you know too, the Wi-Fi is on and off. Right now I do have a connection, but since it interferes with some of our equipment, I will be shutting off here in a second. I'll come on periodically, kind of go from show you guys around. But unfortunately I can't really do long sessions because, like I said, it interferes with everything. But anyway, if you guys have any questions, I'll check them before I go back online. Alright guys.